welcome back to my channel, and I hope you guys having an amazing days. Today's video is my first luxury haul video. Really hope you guys will enjoy. I will do a proper unboxing video too on every item I show in this haul, so you guys can enjoy and see more for the details on the items. And please let me know if you guys want me to do a review on the item I mentioned in the comment section below. Hopefully my video will help for those who are interested and considering to purchase it. So make sure you guys subscribe to follow along, like and share my video if you guys enjoy. So let's get started. The first item is a sling bag from Pedro. This is a gift for my fiance. I believe there are several colors like gray, dark blue, but I prefer black one, as it is easier to blend with the outfits. The next is from MS. Yes, it is a twilly. Which design I bought? Loving the design. The orange color and the details is so pretty. Love twilly because it's really so versatile. We can use it in so many different ways. Next item is from Pedro too, but this one is a shoe. It's for my fiance as well. I love the design. Very simple. Hope this shoe is comfortable. The next item is from Gucci. If you guys watch my past video of what I got for my birthday this year, you guys definitely know what is inside this Gucci box. I love this shoe so much. It is super comfy. It's very nice. And I'm loving the metallic color of this palm. It looks like a gold glitter, but actually it's not a glitter. I think it's like what we call aluminum foil. I mean, if glitter, we will find it like there will be some glitter falling down from the palm, but it is not. Love this palm. If you guys want me to do a review of or wear and tear for this Gucci palm, let me know in the comment section below, guys. And the next item is from MS. This is for my fiance as well. It's a tie. Love the color. Well, that's all for today's luxury haul video. Hope you guys enjoy. Have a wonderful day and night, and I will catch you all really soon in my next video. Bye.